that motherfucker lit. I'ma see y'all on my shit. Yo, she can find my beat. She be my shit. Johnny gon' fuck on my drip. Johnny ain't never been your.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do this look, and it's basically all drugstore products because I see you guys like the other drugstore videos, so I wanted to give you like affordable looks. And I know everybody is just like, it's really hard out here even for me to like be balling, so like you can get this look with drugstore products, and I'm going to show you how I want to do it. So if you want to see, then just keep watching. To my channel. So today I'm going to do a drugstore affordable type makeup look, and I'm not sure exactly where I want to do like on my eyes and stuff, so we're going to see. I already did my eyebrows, and I just use like the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I use just the dark shade right there to do my eyebrows. So we're just going to get started. Next, Honeydew drops. You guys told me that one of these, I forgot, someone in my comments told me that they use it as a primer, so I'm going to try it as a primer today. It's like so slimy and slippery, so I feel like it will work as a primer. It's my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation, and this one's only $3.68. I'm gonna apply this all over my face using my Morphe M439 brush. I already know I'm gonna get questions on the hair that I'm wearing. The hair I'm wearing is from Diamond Virgin Hair. I found them from Instagram. They reached out to me, so yeah. This foundation I only apply a little bit. Like you see, like this is cool. I guess like this side, so I just use a little bit each time, and I just spread it out over each side. I don't know. To me, I just don't really like. I feel like I still do full coverage, but it's like lighter. I don't know how to describe it. Like I just build stuff up. And I'm gonna take the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this one's in Fawn. I'm just gonna take this and do all under my eyes and stuff. This one's pretty like light, so I'm gonna do a little bit. Yeah, like that's really light compared to me. And I'm just gonna blend it out with my Real Technique sponge. Also, I feel like I should answer some questions. Like, okay, so on Instagram, I do every so often, like you guys ask me questions, and I get like some of the same questions over. So I'm just gonna answer some here. So like people ask me how old am I, and I'm 19 years old, and I go to USC, if you didn't know, University of Southern California, and I'm a business major. I'm Nigerian, didn't know that. I've never actually been to Nigeria, but my dad is Nigerian, so yeah, I'm from the Igbo tribe. So it's a little crazy. Also, like my height, people ask me my height, I'm 5'8". So you're wondering, I feel like I'm tall, but I'm kind of unnoticeably tall. I say that a lot to people because I don't know, people don't notice that I'm tall, people don't think that I'm tall, but I am. So okay, I'm gonna also go in with chestnut and like basically blend this the same right over top of the fawn. Also, I've been wanting to like try new styles, like so many different styles. I see like so many on Instagram and stuff. I just want to try so many new different hair looks, and I want to be able to do more fashion looks, but low-key fashion is so expensive. Yeah, that's the only problem with fashion. Like buying clothes and stuff, and like accessories and all this stuff, that can get really expensive. Okay, taking the NYX Gotcha Covered. This is an espresso. It's a concealer. I haven't used this in a long time, but yeah, I'm just gonna contour with this. I don't really see it. Like I think, I've been getting so many new people on my YouTube, so I'm actually really excited. So welcome all the new people. And like I think you guys really like the makeup tutorials, because I just get really good responses whenever I do makeup tutorials, and I try to keep it pretty affordable because I know that like I don't know, I think my audience is more like people who are similar to me, who like just aren't that wealthy, you know what I'm saying? Like you don't got all the points. My battery is about to die. That's great. Okay, well yeah, so we don't have all the coins, so I'm trying to keep everything affordable. I'm just gonna blend this out. First I didn't like this, but you gotta kind of work with it. It's like tacky, so you gotta just like, I don't know, place it exactly where you want it and don't like spread it out so much. That's why. It's like a really weird consistency, like very tacky and like kind of watery a little bit. I mean, not watery, thick. Sorry, it's thick. So that's why I use it to contour. I wouldn't use it like under my eyes or anything. I feel like it'll be too heavy. Just blend it so you don't see any lines, whatever. You know, I'm feeling it already. Okay, I'm gonna take my airsprung powder, and this one's in translucent, and I'm gonna just set everywhere with powder. I'm really pressing it into my skin. Just know not to count on other people. Like, you should always depend on yourself more, and always have like a backup plan for yourself. Don't ever count on someone else to do something for you, or you know, because people aren't dependable as like you, and people don't care about stuff that you may care about more. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you're like, you always have a backup plan, and like you can depend on yourself, and that you just don't count on people, even like people that you may think are going to be there for the long run. Just don't count on them. You can't count on everybody, you know. So always have your own plan. Just wiping some of the powder away with the Real Technique brush. Oh my god, I seen Miss Jazz, I don't know, her name is Miss Jazz or something like that. She's an artist, makeup artist. She does so well. Like, I really wanted to do my face. She be with Kyra on Unique, but I'm like, wow, really, she can really be the face. I would love for her to be my face. She does like really well on dark skin girls too. So yeah. If someone asks me on like Snapchat, like, do I consider myself dark skin or brown skin? I feel like I definitely consider myself dark skin, but it's always relative. Obviously, like if someone's like really like darker than me, I'm gonna be probably brown skin in the room. But I do consider myself dark skin. Yeah, and it's really sad that like I understand like there's like really people that are way darker than me and stuff, and it's crazy because like the products I'll be using, like it'll be the last shade for something, and it would just be my foundation shade. So I'm like, this is really horrible. Like, this is really bad. You shouldn't only just include me. Like, I have freaking cousins, and my dad's like way darker than me. So what are they foundation shades? You know what I'm saying? Like, they're annoying. So yeah, and like even like their foundation shades, or even like their contour shades, like what is going on? Like, I just really don't understand that. Look at how you can leave out a whole group of people in makeup. I can go in with my honeydew drops and mix. Oh, it's like so liquidy, like I don't know how to describe it. Slimy. And now I'm gonna just tap it in to my skin. And I'm gonna take my Master Chrome by Maybelline, and this one's in Molten Gold. And this Morphe brush is M310 brush. It's a fan brush. I'm gonna take a little bit, and just this one, like you only need a little bit, but it's like it's a really good highlighter, drugstore highlighter. I recommend it. Also, drugstore products you recommend, leave them down in the comments so I could like go get them. I really want to try that L'Oreal concealer. I feel like it will be really good. Like, it's gonna be really good. I heard it was like a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. And for the eyes, I'm gonna take the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this one's in Beautiful Bronze. Oh, I have on eyelash extensions, and they're like coming off a little bit. I like how they look like for natural. Like this right here is like really good to me, but they like fell all off. So I like when they're natural like this for when I'm wearing no makeup. But when I'm wearing makeup, I'm gonna apply lashes today. If you guys like the chit chat videos more than like the voiceovers, I'm not sure like what you all like more. But yeah, I'm just so excited that we're growing, and like I can see my work paying off and stuff. And hopefully I can like inspire people. Hopefully I hope I'm doing like on the right path, you know? If you ever like wonder like, are you on the right path? Are you doing the stuff like you're supposed to be doing at the right time? I'm literally always thinking about that. Okay, I'm setting my eyes with powder. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Dare to Create palette, and I'm gonna probably mainly take all like the shades in here or something. I don't know what type of look I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna first take this shade there. I'm gonna just rub this in my crease. hair is getting on my nerves. Now I'll go in and take this shade right here and basically darken up, but like on the outer. Like I'm just gonna focus on like this socket, like on the outer corner. Now I'm going to take a little bit of like this pinky shade right here, and I want to just pop that into the outer corner too, like lower. Okay, I really like this so far, and then I'm just going to go in and use this shade first, and then probably this shade, and then so this shade, then this shade, and then this shade. So this one's gonna be like a little bit lower than my bottom lash line, and this is gonna be closer to my lash line, and this is gonna be the outer corner. So let's go. Okay, I'm going to take my ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Avalon, and I'm going to apply this in my inner corner. Okay, I think I want to add something else, so I'm going to add this shade in the ColourPop palette over top of it. I'm going in with mascara. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I'm going to take NYX Slip Tease, and this is Beyond Basic. I'm going to take this NYX Studio HD Concealer, and this is in Deep Rich, and I'm actually going to just apply like 2 dots. And tap it all over. And I'm going to go in with this NYX Liquid Suede and Sandstone. And apply those right in the center. And then I'm going to go in with this Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this one's an Evil Twin. I'm going to outline my lips with this. Finally, I just went in and tapped this shade all over basically, except for the center, and I feel like I like it now. So I'm just gonna apply my lashes because this lip part took forever to figure out. So yeah. Okay guys, so that's it for the look. This is basically what it looks like. Final look, I put the lashes on and everything. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a like, a comment, and subscribe down below. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.